Definitely not our ideal bike week weather. Well, good morning, YouTube. Yeah, it's raining. It sucks. Looks like it's supposed to be like this until about 10 a.m. So we're kind of half opening up. Chip is hanging back at the camper for a little while. There's no sense in riding into the rain. We got two guys that are on site already that don't have to ride through the rain. So we're open, but we're not expecting a whole lot for a little while. And also, sometime during the business day yesterday, we had surpassed 14,000 subscribers. Guys, I'm really excited about that, but I'm going to post a challenge here to you. Let's see if we can get it to 15,000 by the end of this bike week event. I know that's going to be tough, but if every single one of you pushes that subscribe button, tells a friend. Also, go check and see if you're still subscribed. We had a commenter last night, said that somehow he got unsubscribed and didn't mean to, so we had to resubscribe. So that could be happening. I know it's happened to me before too with the people that I subscribe to. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications. We got a lot of good content coming during bike week. It's a wet one this morning, Amanda. All right, it's about 10 minutes until 10 a.m. and it's looking like the skies are opening up and it won't be so bad. It looks like we've got a window from about 10 a.m. till 3 p.m. that the weather should be decent. Very minimal chances of rain. Who knows what's gonna happen after 3? It could wash us out again. Hopefully it will all go well and we'll get a whole bunch of business in that short little period of time. All right, a little after 10:30, we finally got our first bike in. Just a battery job, quick and easy, and that's it. Just not a lot of traffic here this morning. There's probably, 20 bikes within view that are here. Hopefully it'll get better than this. All right, bike number 2 finally. Mike's over here doing an oil change service on an old Dynaglide. All right. Dyna's done and on the way out. We got 2 more in. Still a slow start, but at least we're getting something. All right, guys, a little bit more like it. We got 5 bikes in line now. And I got 3 up on the lift still. I'm getting ready to take one of these and load it on the last lift. Now that's the way I like to see it. Now the crowds are starting to show up and the rain's coming back, so hopefully that won't hurt us too bad. looks like that sun is finally trying to come back out. Looking pretty.
Daytona, baby! Woo!
Hi guys, 20 after 1 in the afternoon. We've only got 2 bikes on the lift and 1 in line, but it's a trike, so it's got to go on Chip's lift. It's the only trike lift we've got. Having issues with this one picking up the trike, so we took the trike kit off of it. Showed up from Awesome Documentary, guys. Check it out. He's got some awesome bike week content. And look, Prime Cut Pro is here as well. What's up, Kelly? Hi guys, I thought I'd show you this. Customer comes in with the Harley Parade fan, and the fan blade isn't even bolted in. It was literally falling down out of the back of it. A lot of people like this fan because it's got a Harley logo on it, but it is the most useless fan system. I'm not saying it doesn't provide some benefit, but it doesn't force any air anywhere. It's got a shroud on it, but no way to direct the air. No engineering went behind this. I mean, literally, you know, 2 guys at Harley picked this fan out of a catalog for automotive radiator fans. They held it up there next to the thing and said, yeah, let's dip it in chrome and bolt it on right there. And that's about as far as the research went, I think. It's a pain in the butt and it doesn't work very well. Hi guys, 2 p.m. We got caught up for a little while. Now the lifts are full. We still got 3 in line, so can't argue with that. a little bit after 5 and Chip has just pushed the last bike off of the lift. No more in line. That trike was the last one. Maybe we'll get some more before we close. I don't know. The rain has held off, but I don't know for how long. Definitely some dark skies over there, but some blue skies over here, so who knows. Hi guys, 5 minutes before closing, got a customer come in with this hot rod, wants us to put love jugs on it. True to form, the last bike that comes in is always the hardest one. He doesn't have the proper bracket on there for the love jugs to work, so we've got to jack the tank up, take off his bracket that's been cut and modified, and put one on that will work. Luckily I've got spares, but it'll take a little bit longer than it normally does, but we'll get it done either way. All right, just like I said, the last bike ended up being a pain in the butt. After fixing that bracket, we rolled the bike off the lift and the bike wouldn't start and stay running. We accidentally forgot to plug the fuel pump circuit back in, and then he had a secret ignition kill switch on there. So once we fixed the fuel pump, we still couldn't get the thing to run, and after like 15 or 20 minutes of trying to diagnose that, the guy looked at us and went, oh yeah, flip that switch on. It won't run without it. Flip it on and fired right up. So anyway, it's like 7:45 now, and we're heading over to Tijuana Flats to get some dinner. We're just walking because it's right across the street.
Which one uses the death sauce?
The death.
Thank you.
Hard taco. Tuna cream. Cheese and steak fava.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good one too.
Hi guys, everything at Tijuana Flats is really good. Good sweet tea and a good burrito. And our waitress Sophia was awesome. Guys, go check her out if you come to Daytona. Wait. All right, well, Talon talked us into coming over to one Daytona and getting some Jeremiah's Italian ice, which I didn't want at first, but then I did, and I'm glad I got it. And now, gonna go put gas in the bike. Just know where we're going. Yeah, you guessed it. We came to Wawa for some coffee and had to fuel up the motorcycle. You know, we hadn't left the Speedway in like over 48 hours, it seemed like, because when we woke up yesterday, we worked the whole day. We made ourselves a Saturday dinner and ate on site, and then we headed into the track for the motocross. So we never actually left property. Then today we woke up, hit repeat. So by dinner time, we were ready to leave and go do something. So that's why we went out to dinner, and then now we're putting gas to the bike, because after 2 days of running, it definitely needed it. And then I happened to find this Wawa gift card, and I completely forgot that it was given to us last year by Steve Bolhert, and I apologize if I'm not saying that last name properly. I'm pretty sure that's what it says on here. He left us a $25 gift card for coffee because he knows we enjoy it so much. So totally forgot I had it, so now we're going to use it. So thank you, Stephen. We really appreciate it. All right, back out at the track, ready to close this video out. Unfortunately, we missed our sales goal again today, actually by the biggest variance that we've had all week. Now, I don't want to sound like I'm complaining, because we're still doing well. So like, don't fret that. I know some of you guys get really concerned with our business, and we're doing good. We're just not doing as good as we did last year. And you know, that's kind of a like a curse that us business owners put on ourselves. We're always trying to compare to last year so that we see that growth. And over the last few years, especially after COVID, but mostly after like 19, when we went to Goliath and we expanded our business and had the bigger footprint, we've seen a steady increase in our sales. And as a businessman, I know that at some point that's going to cap out and we can't go beyond that. Again, why we hired an extra person for the show, hoping that if we get more bikes in and out without having the customers to wait, we might be able to do that. But you know, the weather's put a damper on it. Today, like I said, we had the largest variance in sales that we've had all week, but we've been down every single day this week so far. And when you add those all up, it's a significant chunk of money, but we're still doing well. Today was odd because the rain in the morning, we really didn't get any business till like 11, and then it pretty much died off at 4. We had a couple bikes trickle in after that, but we had a huge rush all at one time. The awesome part is the team that we have assembled here right now is absolutely freaking awesome. If I could take this team everywhere we went every time, everything would run so smooth, it would be awesome. When those bikes came in, we never got in the weeds. I mean, we hammered motorcycles out and nobody had to hurry, nobody had to rush, nobody got overworked. Everything just moved efficiently and seamlessly for the most part. And I really like that. Anyway, the weather for tomorrow is looking pretty good. But yeah, like Tuesday and Wednesday looks like rain again. Thursday looks like it's gonna be a fantastic day. But you know what, this is Florida and I know that the weather can change between now and then as well. So who knows what it's actually going to do. We're staying positive. We're just gonna keep trucking along, doing what we're doing. And hopefully it all works out. Like I said, we're not doing bad. We're just not doing as good as we hoped we would have done. Once again today, we had a lot of viewers come by to say hi. Some of you subscribers, some of you may not, but we really appreciate it. I know maybe sometimes it seems a little awkward when you guys come by because I don't always know what to say. And one of you mentioned today, and he summed it up really well, is that you guys watch me like all the time. So you know me better than I know you, but I really enjoy you guys coming by and meeting us. Katie enjoys it as well. And even Amanda and Chip, you know, the people that have been on the team for a long time that you all know, they all kind of enjoy, you know, the recognition and the fact that you guys, you know, enjoy what we do. And we think it's pretty cool. So keep doing it. Don't hesitate. And like I said at the beginning of the video, hit the subscribe button. Even if you think you're already subscribed, go check because it would really help us out a lot. But for now, I think we're going to go ahead and close this video. Katie and I have got to get up early. Our Monday workout always seems to be the worst because we come off the weekend without working out. So we got to get up early, do our workout before we open. So for now, I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And until the next time I see you, keep those engines running. Oh, and I forgot to mention, after work, Amanda ran downtown and she went and checked out a few things. She sent a couple clips here and hopefully YouTube doesn't flag them for being inappropriate, but this is what she sent.